All right, guys, welcome. All that you're doing today, I say all, but your primary goal of today is to review for your exam tomorrow. There's a review quizzes game right here for you. It's called Ecology. You'll click the link. It'll ask you to put in your name. I ask that you just do your first name. You'll click start and you'll actually start doing the game. Okay? And you'll start game. You'll play it. You only need to do it once. Once you're done, you'll screenshot your score for me to show me that you finished the game. I suggest that you do it more than once, especially because some of the questions on there are questions from your actual exam. Other thing to note is that at 8 a.m. we'll have a Zoom review session where I'll go over specific questions on the test and answer any questions you might have. Be sure you have the first and last name, or sorry, just first, don't put your last, as your user. Otherwise, I'll not be able to track down your progress or your grade. Once you've completed the review, take a screenshot of your score with your name on it. If you're having issues screenshotting, there it is. All right, that's it. Join us for our Zoom. I'll be going over specific test questions as well as answering any questions you might have or clearing up confusion. Have a great day.